Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about one, my profits, and second of all, a setup that has been working great for me lately. So with that being said, let's get started and get you trading. Yo guys, what is up today? I haven't made a video in a few days. I'm sorry about that. And again guys, I've told you I've had a lot busy. I'm still in college, like I said. I'm finishing up my degree. Still trying to get over this cold, of course. If I look over here, it's because I have it set where I'm recording over here so I can see you guys at the same, or I can see what I'm recording at the same time as I talk to you guys. So I am sorry about that in advance. Today I wanted to go over one thing. I should have opened it up before. You drag it over here. Okay, so that was my Facebook. My trading setup. So you guys see I'm gonna look over here because that's where the screen is actually. Um, but I have a daily, or this is a 1 minute chart over here. This is how I would. This is not how I would normally set this up. This is how I had it because I was watching two stocks, and as you can see, I was right on both of these. Both of these failed today. BLNK was really my main one because it was up so high, and we're gonna go through. I'm gonna show you guys how I set this up normally. So normally I do these red only because that's the first one. If you're color stitious, you do whatever you want to do. And then I come over here and I make this a daily chart. I want to see how high we are up, and as you guys see, it's got some bits. Zoom in a little bit. It's got a really big candle, and it's a lot to do with it right there. Let's go to my main chart. Once I'm in a trade, this is kind of what I look at. So as you guys can see, I kind of have two setups. This one was up here, and a pattern that I do really well with is this one. It's basically, oh excuse me, shorting into resistance. As you guys know, I've been busy this month. Haven't gotten to do as much as I would really normally do. So this right here is actually this month's profits. I don't know if you can see it or not this month's, but the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months profits. I didn't count that when I was doing it. But been killing it this month, of course, a little bit slower. It's not over yet, of course. It's only the 8th. I haven't gotten to trade every day, like I have said before. Pretty good, though, I think. Of course, it could always be better. I hate junk emails. If you guys sign me up to an email list, I will guarantee you to unsubscribe if it doesn't give me information. If it does give me good information, I'll keep subscribing. I'll read it. Um, but yeah, guys, this lately has been great for shorting. I mean, I feel like I get a lot of shorts no matter what. Again, I don't use TD Ameritrade. I just like their charting. I actually use E-Trade, and as you guys will see over here, I have E-Trade Pro actually over there, and that's what I chart, or I don't actually chart with. I chart with E-Trade, of course, and then I actually trade with E-Trade Pro, and I kind of have it usually over here on this side of it, just kind of out of the way, but I can still see my orders and stuff, and I can see how much I'm risking, what my risk, my reward, kind of all that. And I always have a pad of paper here with me. I always write down my trades. My girlfriend doesn't feel good. It's not good. We're really fighting sicknesses. I'm not going to try to keep this video really too long, though, guys. As you guys can tell, though, I'm upbeat. I'm kind of happy today. Got my office all clean, which is good. I'm quite OCD. Um, but guys, preparation is everything. If you guys want my course, and I'm giving it away compared to what other people are doing, definitely message me on Instagram. And my Instagram is MWC underscore junior 2. Again, at MWC underscore junior 2. Message me. I guarantee you I'll respond within 24 hours. Usually I have my phone on me. I pretty much respond instantly, it seems like. And definitely just message me like, hey, I want to learn stocks. That's all you got to say. And I'll know what you want. I'll work out a deal for you depending on your situation sometimes. But yeah, always looking to help other people. I think I'm going to come out with a free watch list starting next Monday. So if you guys are definitely looking to get that, actually comment with your emails, and I'll put you on that list. That way we can start next Monday. Now that I'm kind of not having to juggle a million different things, including school and stuff like that, since this is finals week. So, with that being said, I really just kind of wanted to show you guys this picture, showing you guys that I'm real. A lot of people don't show their trades. I don't show my account number, stuff like that, because I just don't feel comfortable with it. I really wish there wasn't people out there that would be trying to steal my money, or else I would definitely show you. But I'm showing you guys this here. Um, but definitely message me, pick my brain. I do it to other successful people. So basically, I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope you guys are studying. Don't get me wrong, you guys have to study this and learn how to trade before you actually start making the kind of money that I just showed you on a monthly basis. None of those are my biggest months yet, so I've had bigger months, of course. But with that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next video, and I hope to hear from you guys on Instagram. Or if you guys don't have me on Instagram, my Facebook is Mark Cox. I'm sure you can find me on there, Mark Wesley Cox. So with that being said, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.